Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing the best 5 oven for sublimation in 2025, handpicked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. Imperio Sublimation Oven Machine. Step into the world of sublimation with this all-in-one set designed to unleash your creativity. Inside the box, you'll find a powerful 32QT sublimation oven 110/120V 1800W, capable of sublimating tumblers, mugs, bottles, glasses, and bowls with ease. The package includes a hot air gun for heat-shrinkable wraps, a pair of premium thermal gloves for safe handling, 25 shrink-wrap sleeves, and heat tape. Everything you need to bring your designs to life. The oven's efficient wind system keeps the exterior surface cool while maintaining 360 degrees air circulation for optimal heat distribution. Crafted from durable cold-bent steel with a 304 stainless steel interior, this oven ensures longevity and safety. The sleek, high-tech touchscreen with borderless glass displays precise time settings, preheating status, and project completion alerts. With its spacious interior, you can sublimate multiple containers at once, making your workflow more efficient. Number 2. PYD Life Sublimation Oven Machine. The 1600W sublimation oven is a powerful yet compact solution for your printing needs. Operating at 110V with a spacious 25L capacity, it measures L16.9-inch x W16.3 x H14 and weighs just 11.3 kilograms, making it ideal for small workspaces. With a temperature range of 0-446 degrees Fahrenheit and a time range of 1 to 60 minutes, this oven ensures precision and control. Its unique air heat circulation system, coupled with dual heating tubes and a ceramic enamel interior, delivers fast, even heating for flawless sublimation results. Designed for versatility, it accommodates a wide range of sublimation items, from mugs and tumblers to large bottles, including 40 ounces handled tumblers and 1.5L coffee carafes. Perfect for small batch production, it prints up to 4 11-ounces mugs or 20-ounce tumblers simultaneously. Number 3. PYD Life Mini Sublimation. The 1600W Mini Sublimation Oven is a compact yet powerful solution for crafting vibrant, high-quality prints. With a 12L capacity and weighing just 9.8 kilograms, it operates at 110V and fits seamlessly into any home or craft workspace. Its temperature range of 140-390 degrees Fahrenheit and a time range of 1 to 60 minutes provide precise control. Featuring a 360 degrees air heat circulation system and dual top and bottom heating tubes, this oven ensures even heating for flawless sublimation results. The easy-to-use touchscreen control allows effortless time and temperature adjustments. Designed for versatility, it accommodates various sublimation items, including 40 ounces handled tumblers, 1.5L coffee carafes, and large water bottles. Ideal for small batch printing, it can process multiple mugs and tumblers at once. Number 4. Sublimation Blanks Mugs, Tumblers, Cups. The sublimation oven is a versatile tool designed for printing on a variety of drinkware, including sublimation mugs, tumblers, and bottles of different sizes. It excels in handling large capacity and tapered blanks, making it ideal for 40-ounce tumblers with handles, 1L and 1.5L coffee carafes, and 32 ounces or 64-ounce water bottles. Perfect for small batch production, this machine can sublimate up to 4 11-ounce ceramic mugs, for 20 ounces skinny tumblers, or 4 18-ounce glass cans in one go. For bulk printing, simply extend the time by 2 to 3 minutes for optimal results. Easy to operate, just set the parameters, secure the design with sublimation paper and shrink wrap, then place it in the oven. This machine is especially effective for full wrap and dark color designs, delivering vibrant, high-quality prints with every batch. Number 5. Oster Convection Oven. Experience the ultimate convenience and precision with this premium stainless steel convection oven. Designed with a single pull handle, both doors open effortlessly with just one hand for easy access. Its advanced digital controls ensure precise cooking time and temperature, eliminating any guesswork. Featuring turbo convection baking technology, this oven cooks faster and delivers even browning for perfect results every time. The spacious interior accommodates up to two 16-inch pizzas, making it ideal for family meals and gatherings. Dual racks provide maximum cooking flexibility, while the slow cook function allows you to gently prepare dishes at 150 degrees Fahrenheit for up to 6 hours. A preheat setting ensures the oven reaches the perfect temperature for precise cooking, and the 90-minute timer with an automatic shutoff adds safety and convenience. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.